Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm sharing with you my 2024 Christmas home tour. Now my home is generally decorated in a neutral color palette, but for Christmas I wanted to add a little touch of red. So you will see red throughout in various rooms. I placed a little bit of red in the dining room. You saw on my front porch, and then I used red in my lower level. Now, I like to keep my focus on Christ, which is the reason for the season. So I typically like to keep my tours pretty quiet, and I may come in every now and then and talk about something that I think you might want to know about. But for the most part, I like to keep it peaceful, so I hope you can appreciate a Christmas tour with beautiful Christmas music and just enjoying the sights. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment area and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and Merry Christmas, everyone.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home.